Hi everyone, Diana D here from Diana D Loves Yarn, and I'm coming to you today with a couple happy mails that I've gotten lately. I'm a little behind on my videos, so hopefully I'll be getting them caught up soon. But one of the happy mails that I got is I won a book on one of Michi's lives, and it's called Crochet Secrets. And this is what it looks like. And it looks like a very nice book. It's got a lot of tips and tricks and things in there, like closing the gaps, secrets of amigurumi, perfect stripes, seamless color change, all just all different things like that. And I've been looking at it a little bit at a time, and I see a lot of things in here that I really want to try. And it's a good book. I'll try to remember to put the information in the description box below. Another thing that I got was Danny Joe won this on one of Dee's lives, and she asked Dee to send it to me. So it's a birthday gift from Danny Joe, but Dee made it, and I just absolutely love it. But it's this shawl here, and it's so soft and just so beautiful. Look at the stitch work, and then it's got the beads on the bottom. It's just gorgeous, guys. And in with the shawl was one of these goodie bags, and in this bag there is, if I can get it open, that is, there we go, one of these homemade bracelets. Isn't that beautiful? A stitch or a row counter. And some of these made with love, or this says handmade on them. Some of those. So that's really cool. But I was so excited to get those. Thank you again, Danny Joe, so much. I just love that. And tomorrow at 1 o'clock Central Time is my birthday party on my channel. Me and Paula will be doing some giveaways and stuff. It's at 1 p.m. Central Time. And I hope to see everybody there, and gonna have a really good time. So everybody take care, and I will see you all on the YouTube streets. Bye for now.